Ready to transform your videos from ordinary to extraordinary with a show-stopping animated intro that grabs viewers instantly. Let's jump into Adobe Animate. First, let's open up Adobe Animate. We'll kick things off by creating a new project. Click New File. A new window will appear showing different canvas sizes. Choose your desired canvas size. This will be determined by where you plan to use your intro, such as YouTube. For example, I'm going with a 1920 by 1080. And make sure your frame rate is set to 30 frames per second, then click Create. Now that we are in the interface, and we have our blank canvas, we'll add our background image or color. Click the rectangle tool to draw a background for your animation on your first layer. Let's rename this layer Background. Next, create a new layer. Let's name it Text. Select the Text tool and choose a font. Add a text size. Type in your desired text. This can be your brand name, channel name, whatever suits your needs. Let's animate the text in the timeline. Create a keyframe at the end of your timeline, then right-click on the frames between the start and end. Choose Create Classic Tween, then go to the beginning frame. Select your text and play around with the Properties panel, where you can modify things: opacity, color, position, and rotation. You can experiment and play around with what catches your eye. Now is the time to add further visual interest. You can add shapes and animate them with classic tweens to follow your text and intro, and you can add more layers for those shapes. Feel free to play around with what you have learned so far. Congratulations, you've created your own animated intro. Adobe Animate. Now export your video and share it with the world. Your videos will stand out and attract viewers from the beginning.